Hello, welcome to Journey to Fluency. Today's video I'm going to tell you things that you can do in Mumbai as a language student. As you all know, learning a language requires to be very consistent. Apart from attending your language school or your class, you need to be in touch with the language, and here are some ways which you can follow to be in touch with the languages in Mumbai or in any city that you stay. So the list of things that I'm going to tell you is something that you can do based on your interest. There are multiple things I'm going to tell, and in this way you can practice the language apart from your class that you're attending. Let's go. The first one is to attend language workshops. There are many companies or many organizations that arrange for workshops, language workshops that you can attend. In this way, you get closer to the culture and you also meet other students, other people who are equally interested in learning the language. So attending a workshop is a great idea. The one we know is Away We Go Language Organization, which organizes workshops every month for many languages. You can be in touch on social media to know about these workshops. It mostly involves a lot of cultural information. Next one is to read books. Now I understand reading books in that language will be difficult for many people, but what you can do is you can read books from that country's author or the books that tell you about the culture, like the very famous one I'm sure everybody knows is Ikigai. Now, if you read such books, there are many books available in libraries and there are bookstores have such books. By reading these books, you don't have to read it in that language per se, but you can understand what the culture is and again get a deep dive into these languages, especially books like these. We list down places in Mumbai where you can find such books. One of the places is in Geo World Drive. It is a library bookstore where you can find such books. And we list some more in the description. The next thing you can do is watch movie screenings in your target language. So again, there are organizations that have these movie screenings almost every month in the target language that you have. And it's a good way where you are interacting again with other students. These movies are in this native language, so that is one way where you're getting your practice done of the language as well. And if you are in Mumbai, Prithvi Theatre is the place where the movie screenings are done, so you can keep a track of that as well. The next thing to do as a language student in the city is to go to restaurants of these cuisines that are there in your city. This is a great way to experience the language and the culture at the same time, because a lot of restaurants are incorporating the authenticness also with the language. So that is a good way to experience this in Mumbai. The next thing that you can do as a language learner is to take freelancing projects. If you are well versed with the language, you can do freelancing jobs such as being a translator, content writing for that language, even teaching. This is one way you can also monetize your language learning, which will be beneficial for you and your personal growth as well. It is also useful if you are working or if you want to work or volunteer in any Indo-French, Indo-German companies in your city, which gives you a good opportunity just based on your language skill. The next way to incorporate languages and practice is to celebrate in that culture. So if you have small celebrations or any gathering or anything that you're celebrating, you can do it in a style which they do in your target country of how the French celebrated or the German celebrated. So this is one way you're incorporating the language and also having fun. Like you can have fika or do fika, which is a concept, a Swedish concept. If you want to know more, you can check this video that we made. And similarly, you can also post stories or post it on your social media platform in the language that you're learning or the celebration that you're doing. This is another way where you can practice your language no matter which city you are in. And the next one is linguistic trips. You can be a part or go for a linguistic trip to the country. So it's basically an immersion of languages. You go and study your target language in that country. For example, you study French in France, and this is one of the way where you can actually experience the culture and the country in reality and in actuality. If you want to be a part of this, you can check the description below. Fill the form below to be a part or know about these linguistic trips that happen. The link is in the description. The last one is to purchase a product of the brand of that country or language that you're learning. In this way, you'll actually come to know that this product is of this country or this brand is of this country, and you'll get more information once you start reading about it. Feel like you're in touch with the language and the country. So you can use any kind of brand of food product or a skincare product which is now very famous. So you can try to purchase something of this brand that you like of the country. So that was it from our side. If you are incorporating or if you want to do all of this, then let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.